Hello everyone, my name is Hamza and I am AI engineer and today our topic is about causal inference and clinical support, decision support. So think of it, this topic is like imagine this situation, a patient takes medicine and after some days the patient gets better. No, the question is, did the medicine really cover the patient, or would the patient recover anyway? So this question is very important, and this is where our topic starts. Mm, the if we simply see in the image, the definition of causal inference. Causal inference is the process of finding cause and effect relationships between variables. So, in a simple words, uh, it answers one main question: what is causing what? So, there is a big difference between correlation and causation. The correlation is two things happen together. For example, ice cream sales increase and sunburn cases increase, but ice cream does not cause sunburn. And the another side, causation, one thing directly affects another. For example, smoking causes lung disease. So the key insight is not everything that looks related is actually a cause. So the question is why causal inference is important in healthcare. So in healthcare, decisions are very important and are maybe very serious. Doctor needs to know what actually causes improvement and not just what looks related. So, for example, uh, a patient takes a drug and improves, but maybe diet improved, rest increased, or natural recovery happened. So we must find the real case. So the core idea of it's like causal inference asks, if we did not give this treatment, what will happen? So this is called uh, counterfactual thinking. Simple meaning, what would happen in an alternate reality. So the technique of causal inference is the number one is randomized experiments, RCTs. Uh, a patient a patient are randomly divided into groups. For example, group A gets medicine and the another group B does not. So then compare results and why important? This helps find a real case. And the second one is observational data. A data collected from real world without experiments. So the problem is it is harder to find causation because many factors are mixed. And the third one is confounding variables, hidden factors that affect results. For example, mm, a coffee drinkers live longer, but maybe they also exercise more, eat healthy, so coffee may not be the real case. No, this is the second part of the topic, clinical decision support, CDS. If you see in the image, a simple definition, Clinical decision support is a system that helps the doctors make better medical decisions using data and AI. In simple understanding, it's like a smart assistant for doctors. What CDS does, it can suggest diagnoses, recommend treatments, give alerts, and analyze patient data. So, in real life example, a patient, a doctor enters patient data, and the system says this patient has high risk of diabetes and recommend this test. So the connection with causal inference is no a very important part. The key idea is see clinical decision system uh, should not only use correlation, they should use causation. Why? Because wrong reasoning can be dangerous. For example, if AI says patients who take this drug recover, but does not check causation, it may give wrong advice. And in the correct way, AI should say this drug actually causes improvement. Uh, if we combine both in one example, so imagine a patient comes to hospital and AI systems analyzes and the history and reports and treatments. So without causal inference, AI might say patients like this improved with the drug A, but with the causal inference, AI says drug A is the reason for improvement. This is much more powerful and reliable. So the benefits and the challenges is the benefit is better decisions, more accurate treatment, and reduced risk and improved patient care. And also the challenges is hard to find through cost. Uh, Data may be incomplete and hidden variables exist. So the important insight is this is why this topic is advanced. It requires deep thinking. So in the future, AI system will not just predict. They will understand cases and think about a patient. A wrong decision can be dangerous, but a correct causal decisions can save a life. So causal inference help us understand why, and clinical decision support helps doctors decide what to do. So, in simple words, causal inference find real case, real cause and effect, and clinical decision support uses this knowledge to help doctors make better decisions. So, the good AI does not just find patterns; it understands causes, and that is what makes it truly intelligent.